Welcome to part number 3. This video is going to focus on the accessories for the storefront system. Our first part is going to be the setting block. Setting block is this little guy right here. He will sit on all of the pieces like the sill and the horizontal to protect the glass from sitting directly on the metal. Let's draw them up and figure out how many we need. Setting blocks are made of EPDM and they're used to separate the glass from the metal. This is our storefront system. We have 6 windows and we need 2 per window. We add them up, but we have to remember that we have 3 of these frames, so we'll have to multiply it. We're going to need a total of 36. These come in bags of 24, so we're going to have to order 2 bags. Let's make a little list. So far we have 2 packages of setting blocks. Next we have the gasket. The gasket is a little rubber piece that pushes in to hold the window in all of our mullions. It just goes pushed in right there. Okay, I have a little example for you. This is a little window that's put together. The gasket is already inset on one side, but remember it has to go on both sides. So after the glass goes in, we would put additional gasket. Let's draw them up and take a look. This is the gasket. I'm going to draw it in red below on every one of the mullions to show you where it goes. Remember that gasket goes all the way around the perimeter of every piece of glass on both sides. For easy math, we'll use our stock lengths. The easiest way is to bring back our takeoff numbers. Here we see we have 6 OBMs. We have 2 gaskets times 24-foot stock length equals 288. Okay, let's do the rest. Now we add them up. A gasket roll comes in 250 feet. So we divide the number by 250. We end up with 3 rolls. Okay, let's add it to our list. Finally, we're going to move on to the screw spline screws. These little guys right here connect all of the horizontals to all of the verticals. They screw in from the inside, just like this, onto the other ones into these little pockets. I'll show you in a drawing. They will connect the pieces just like this. We're going to need 2 of these for every metal to metal connection. Let's locate all of these connections. Here you see we have 18. Note that some of these mullions have connections on both sides. So 18 times 2 screws times 3 frames equals 108. Since these come in bags of 100, we'll need to order 2. Okay, now we can finish our list. Perfect. Our takeoff is now complete and we know all of the parts and pieces that we're going to need. In our next few lessons, we're going to go over glass and sealant. We'll see you in those videos.